This is me, Tash, and welcome for another vlog!
Okay.
Ang challenge nga po namin ngayon ay eating brown food challenge! Oh no! Let's start, guys!
A few moments later.
So, ang una po ay brownies bites. Next, guys, ay mini chocolate chip cookies. Guys, next ay cream o crinkles. Crinkles. Ayan siya, guys. So, guys, chocolate candy naman kami.
Ito ang isa. Ayoko nito man.
Guys, ay wafer choco bar.
Next is water. Color blue.
Meanwhile,
And we are done, guys. Ang iba pa hindi namin naubos kasi hindi namin kaya.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.